YouTube. I haven't seen y'all niggas in a minute, bro. I've been slacking, that's why. It's been like a year, but I'm back. I'm trying to do better. And it's gonna be a vlog this time. It ain't gonna be no challenge, no prank. I'm gonna start doing vlogs. I'm gonna keep it spicy for y'all. I don't know. You just gotta stay tuned, see what's coming for y'all. Be ready. It ain't gonna be all that, but I'm gonna try to make it spicy as I can. I'm trying to wait because we got the train right here. It's gonna pass and it's gonna be mad loud. Yeah, I'm waiting for the train right now. I got like 3 minutes, I think. I'm trying to get a 40-second. Watch this. Hey, yo, hurry up, man. Look right there. You see him? There you go. He's right there. Yo, I haven't slept. It's been mad long. It's gonna be weird vlogging because I'm not used to people looking at me while I'm talking to a camera, especially my phone. I mean, it could look like I'm FaceTiming, but I'm not.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next L3
This is what my weird ass look like. Ooh. I'm using my phone, so I can't really like turn the camera around. I wish. Postmates. Postmate game. Alright, let me go down because I'm playing too much. I'm on the 19th floor. What type of shit is this? I'm on the 19th floor. Oh, this is good lighting. Ooh, don't mind that pimple, yo. That's gonna go away. I should be blowing my. Alright. Let's do it, y'all. Where's the damn elevator at? Oh, look at this. Oh. Alright. It's lobby, right? I'm gonna just press 1 because I don't even know. Oh, this is.
It's DDG.
I don't know no SAT. On the plane, you know you a fan of me. Iced out and my neck look like Pete.
Yeah.
You don't know the eye, nigga, we don't see.
SKT, DDG, that's alright. Put the motherfucking lights up. Here we go. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. And my neck look like Pete.
Just for 2 days, when I just got the properties. Looking like I won the lottery. Man, they ain't really bothered me. You 2, 3 years, they don't wanna see you blow. They don't wanna hear them flow. Look at you, see how it go. Back row. The back towns know my name. I got money to say. I got money with the pay. Back gone with the transfer. On March and stairs. Give me a roaring steer. Champagne in the ears. Couldn't go in the store. I got butterfly door. More space, need more. Somebody rather than score. I need bread, but in my pockets is double toast. I don't know you little nigga.
DJ talk to him.
These guys don't want me for me.
They just put us on the cloud.
These niggas don't support me.
I make a move and they doubt.
These niggas got me and me. These niggas
My balls.
These niggas hating on me.
I didn't do this on my own.
Ask me why I don't talk.
I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. My shit is for you and stop it, nigga. I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. And I put that shit on my mama, nigga. I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. Super little bitch and stop it, nigga. I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. I cannot fuck with no aqua nigga. My shit is for you and stop it, nigga. I cannot fuck with
I see your bitch like I'm dirty dog. Yeah, you should.
beat up, 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 beat up.
I see your bitch like I'm Donkey Kong. Put 50 on the pass on to my home. Fuck a hoe if she lonely. Bad bitches only. In the pussy.
Everybody with orange wristbands only. Orange wristbands means the meet and greet. We gonna line right in front of the security guard that's right here in the corner. If you are not allowed for the meet and greet, but you can't drink, if you go right to the front, we can
Good as hell. What's good, YouTube? I don't even know if I should, like, I don't know what to call you guys, because I think I'm gonna change my YouTube name, to be honest. It's my boy, it's my boy, it's my boy. It was at DDG's concert. S.O.B's. Look, PP. Oh, I can't turn it. I can't turn it. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to. Damn, I should have done it in there. It was over there. It was in there. And I'm back because I haven't posted anything in like forever. But I'm gonna post something. And this is gonna be that something because it's DDG's concert. And I'm at home right now, YouTube. Hey, what's good, YouTube? I'm at home right now. I'm like a block or two away. Actually, I want to go get something to eat. Duh. But yeah. I just wanted to tell y'all that this video is practically about DDG's concert because I had a fun day. It was lit. It was super lit. I ain't gonna lie about that. And it ain't really much about me. It's gonna be my first vlog too. It's gonna be my first vlog because I never vlogged before. I just did like challenges and it's like a prank or two, and it wasn't really much that I posted. And it's gonna be my first time posting in like a year. So bear with me. I'm gonna start making valid videos. I'm gonna start vlogging more because I'm gonna be going out more. And I hope to see DDG again because that shit was lit. I only got to take a picture with Vaughn one. Alright, YouTube, I'm about to close this out shortly. I just want to say something. I gave up on YouTube because like I lost all my. I didn't give up on it. I just stopped thinking about it because, I mean, that's kind of the same thing. But anyways, I lost all my stuff, like my camera, SD card, everything. I lost all of that, so I really couldn't I just lost motivation, you know what I mean? So but today at the concert, I was watching this shit. He passed by me, DDG passed by me, and I was like, yo, what the fuck am I doing? I'm gonna start doing YouTube again, because that's something I wanted to do and I always wanted to do. I just lost the motivation, but I gained the motivation today at the concert, and seeing him in person, his second concert. You know what I mean? It shit just hit me, so I was just like, yo, I'm gonna start doing YouTube again. Why am I not doing YouTube? So I'm gonna start doing YouTube again. You know what I mean? Feel me? I'm gonna be real with this. I'm gonna start try to post videos like every other day. And they're gonna be vlogs now, because it's gonna be my first vlog ever. I never did a vlog in my life. This is gonna be my first vlog. And I hope y'all like this shit. Subscribe and comment down below in the description. Tell me what you want me to do next. If you want me to do some other type of video, question, answers, whatever that comes to your head, just put it down.